Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Let's introduce you now to a new coin, XDC. For the very first time, we're introducing you to this coin. Is this the next big thing? We're going to give our first introductory dive, our polls, find out if you're interested in this stock or this asset, this network, and see where we go next. It's a jam-packed morning. Right after this, we get prepared to sell 5 tax lots, absolutely, live on the show in just a few minutes' time. So it's our first introduction into this asset. We've got a poll running right now. XDC, what is it? Let me give you the link to vote in the poll. Is this of interest to you? Do you like what Sensei just spoke about on his breakfast show? I'm now going to talk about it on the big show. See what you think. There is the poll. At the moment, if I refresh the screen, it's been out for 10 seconds. You've just seen me release it. We're going to start off with 32 votes, and you are saying buy 31%, hold 22%, sell 19%, undecided 28%. Let's see how that changes throughout this presentation this morning. So let's get straight into it. We're going to take a deep dive at XDC. What is it? A deep dive of XDC. It's a coin that we think is undiscovered and could do very nicely. We'll look at our poll. We'll come back to our live viewers' comments and questions in a minute. So XDC, traditional finance, 2.5 trillion trade finance gap, decentralized tech, BlackRock, Fidelity. What's it all about? Or let's get straight into it. XDC Network is a layer 1 blockchain designed to introduce inefficiencies in global trade finance, a sector valued at over 2.5 trillion. Its hybrid architecture combines public and private ledgers to digitize paperwork-heavy systems and enable cross-border transactions with smart contract automation. If you like this so far, please do tap the like button. As you know, I've now entered the crypto space. I've got $22,000 of XRP and Bitcoin. I only entered 3 weeks ago. I had none. So it's quite considerable. I think you'll agree. Also, consider subscribing if you like this news. Always live, unedited. All my videos are made live with a live audience. Okay, its hybrid architecture combines public and private ledgers to digitize paperwork-heavy systems and enable cross-border transactions with smart contract automation. Launched in 2019 by Singapore-based XinFin, XDC has evolved into a compliance-focused platform with institutional and enterprise adoption. Use cases include tokenized real-world assets, SME financing, and enterprise settlement, positioning it at the intersection of traditional finance and decentralized infrastructure. The non-profit XDC Foundation was established in 2021 to support ecosystem development. Now, before I come on to the utility and use cases, let's go back over to our poll and see how it's changed. So 31% was the highest said buy with 32 votes. Let me give you the link again. Let's see how this is going throughout the show. Drop that in there and refresh the screen. 32 votes, 31% want to buy it. Let's have a look at it now. Now we're showing 36 votes, 33% want to buy it. Okay, you're showing favor. Let me go over to my X post. I'll give you a link. Let me just refresh that screen. Let me give you the link to X. There's X, by the way. If you go to X, you can win $1,000 of XRP. We're giving it away on the show. There is the link right at the top. By simply reposting this and going to the competition page, you can win $1,000 of my own hard-earned money, mine, Vaz's, and Sensei. We're giving it away to celebrate our 100,000 subscribers. We are nearly there. You want to know how close we are to that? Let me show you on the screen as I put the subscribe button on and show you. We are now at 93,655. Very, very exciting indeed. To celebrate all that, we're giving away $1,000. It's free to enter, free for all. Now, right underneath this post, you can see my introduction to XDC. I'd like you to go and vote on this and read the information. I've done an analysis on it this morning. So we have more information here. You might like to read this. I'm not going to show you now. You might want to vote. 60% are saying a buy. This looks very interesting while we're covering it. And further information down here in my post. I break it all down for you. There's all the information. You might want to go and check that out on my X. Once again, there is the X post. All right, I've given you the link. Let's go back to the news. So, utility and use cases. The XDC token powers the ecosystem through several functions. Transaction fees, minimal gas fees on all network operations. Staking rewards, validators stake 10 million XDC and earn 10% APY. Enterprise settlement used in trade finance and cross-border payments. Smart contracts fuel DApps and tokenized asset infrastructure. And finally, security. Staking deters attacks via economic barriers. Right, real-world utility is evident in platforms like TradeFinex, where XDC enables SME financing and invoice tokenization. Institutional grade integrations include live tokenized money markets, fund from BlackRock, Fidelity, and State Street. Deutsche Telekom operates masternodes to enhance blockchain infrastructure. Adoption metrics. If you just tuned in, please tap the like button and consider subscribing. How many people are watching right now? We're making this video unedited, unscripted, live as I'm doing it. All of my videos are made live like this. Please tap the like button. There are 206 people watching, and I'd love to get your thoughts on this. We've got polls running. I'm just about to close, though, because we're about to go to the opening bell, ring the bell for a big Trump story this morning. There we go. We're getting ready to go to Wall Street, and I am about to sell 5 tax lots, about $100,000 of trades live this morning on my show. So, adoption metrics, let's carry on. Wallet growth from 1.5 million, total addresses as of August 2025, total transactions of 800 million since mainnet launch, enterprise clients, Santander, Cargill, and Deutsche Telekom among adopters, and tokenized RWAs, 1 billion pipeline underway with Vert Capital. Okay, applications extend beyond crypto natives. Trade documents are processed via blockchain, and live rail support cross-border sentiments. Strategic partnerships, this is an important one for us. Financial, Archax, FCA regulated exchange and custodian of RWAs. SBI Holdings operates XDC masternodes. BlackRock and Fidelity, MMFs tokenized on-chain. Technology, 21 shares launched XDC ETP on Euronext. Elliptic provides AML analytics. I've no idea why I always struggle with that word. Tools. Regulatory, first blockchain member of ITFA. TFDI and Chamber of Digital Commerce participation. Tokenomics, total supply 38.01 billion. The network has a hard cap of 100 billion XDC, maximum that can ever exist. Circulating supply 16.23 billion, market cap of 1.53 billion. FDV 3.59 billion. Currently locked and vested. Team founders, 15 billion XDC, 39% of the total, locked with long-term vesting. Ecosystem development, 10 billion XDC, released gradually for development, that's 26.6%. And contingency reserve, 2.5 billion XDC, 6.7%, held for future needs. Pre-placement investors, various vesting schedules. Okay, we're wrapping this up now as we've got a big open bell this morning. If you've just tuned in, tap the like button. We're introducing XDC to you. It could be the next big thing, and we're bringing it to you, and we'll go back to our live poll in a second. If you've not yet voted on X, you can win tickets to win $1,000 XRP just by doing so. All the information is explained on X. Let's wrap this up. Inflation is currently 0.512% annually via validator emissions. EIP 1559 style burning launched on testnet in February 25, and XDC2 added enhanced deflationary mechanisms. Security and risks. Security track record, no core protocols, hacks to date. Audit passed. Slow missed audit in 2021. Decentralization, Nakamoto coefficient of 103. I used to have Nakamichi tape decks. Just a little bit of a trivia there for you. Risks include centralization concerns from validator barriers and reliance on regulatory clarity in Asia Pacific. Competitive edge. Technically, XDC offers a rare hybrid architecture and ISO 20022 compliance. It supports swift integration, has a near zero gas fee, validators are KYC compliant, enhancing its institutional posture. Critics point to slow retail growth. This is why we're focusing on this. It's not rallied, it's not pumped, it's new, and it could be the next big thing, like our XRP. Low US exchange listings and price underperformance despite robust fundamentals. And we know this morning that Sensei has already taken a position on this. 2025 to 2026 bull cycle targets. Bitcoin at 250,000, conservative at 15 to 25 cents. That's 59% to 164%. So we can see a potential here. So Sensei is leaning into this. I believe on this morning breakfast show, he was going 50% in on this position. Moderate 0.5 to $1, up 429% to 957%, and aggressive $1.50 to $2. We can see that $1 target at 1,487% to 2,000%. So what are the key drivers? Major altcoin season, institutional adoption, and exchange listings. So there we go. There is our first introduction to XDC. Now that's the very first time we've covered it. We've got a poll. What did you say? Your very last chance to vote on this. Well, it's not, it runs forever, but I'm just pointing it out during the live stream anyway. There is the link. So 33% said buy. That's the majority at 36 votes. Let's see what it is now. 33 at 36. 33 at 36. We've had 53 votes and 36. So more people voting, but the same percentage say buy. Let's go to X and see what you were saying there. Let's run a poll just up here. XDC, scroll down, and there's our poll. 13 votes now, 53.8. You might like to vote on that throughout the morning. Okay, we're now moving over to our next event. This is going live in just a couple of seconds' time. I'm looking at Jerome Powell and the Bureau of Labor Statistics. Jerome Powell potential, but we've already lost our first head at the Bureau of Labor Statistics. You're fired. What does it mean? Why am I selling $100,000 of S&P this morning? Join me live for this in a couple of seconds. Now, it will automatically take you there. Let me end the poll in the chat. The poll was, is this a crypto of interest to you? 59% say yes. Only 21% say no. The rest are undecided. So live next, it'll automatically take you there. We're going to ring the bell at Wall Street and cover why I'm selling $100,000 of the S&P this morning if I reach my target. There is live coming next. It'll automatically take you there. That's it from me. So if you like what you heard this morning, let me come back to my money. There you go. This is my crypto position, so you all know I've got 21,710. I had none 3 weeks ago, so I'm very aggressive now on XRP and Bitcoin. Maybe I'll take a look at this. Who knows? It's all bought, not to sell, not to trade, just to own and give to you as cash prizes. That's why I invest in it. This is my overall position. You can see I'm up, and if the S&P 500 today hits 579, I'm starting to sell. I've got 5 lots worth 100 grand about to be sold this morning. Join me for all of that. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Everybody watching live, this will take you over now to the live stream. About to happen. It's a jam-packed day, lots going on. Over here, I've got the XDC playlist, and down here, I've got the $1,000 video where you can win $1,000 in XRP. That's it from me. Stay right where you are. It'll take you right now to the next stream as we ring the bell. Get ready for an explosive day. 100 grand about to be traded. Live on the show with my real money. Take care of yourselves and each other.